All right, so we want to look at proper pencil grip. So when you take your hand, you want to take these 2 fingers and hold them down. Take these 3 fingers and pinch them together so that they're touching the thumb. You should get this teardrop shape right here. Then you can take your pencil and you can insert it so you can see where I'm holding it right about where the paint ends. And I've got this nice teardrop shape right in here. When I write, I want to make sure that my arm is flat on the desk. Not up off the desk, but flat. Okay, we're looking at a math worksheet for our theme unit on number formation. It says number practice, trace the number 20. 20 has got 2 digits, a 2 in the tens column and a 0 in the ones column. So it starts off with a 2, we start just below the top line, we go up with a curve, we touch the top line, we come down at an angle, kind of like a candy cane, and then we add a shoe or a line right at the bottom. Our 0 starts at the top, goes all the way down, touches the bottom line, and comes all the way back to the top. So 2 just below the top line, curve, hit the top line, come down diagonally, across for the bottom. 0, start at the top, all the way to the bottom, all the way back to the top. There's the 2 and the 0. 20. Let's do 4 more 20s right underneath these ones. So I'm going to start just below the top line, curve till I hit that line, and then come down at an angle, like a candy cane, and then across the bottom. I make my 0 starting at the top. It's going to curve all the way to the bottom, hit the bottom, and come all the way back to the top. Let's make another 20 right underneath here. 2 that curves down at an angle, diagonal, across the bottom, and a 0 from the top to bottom, filling in that whole space between the top and the bottom solid line. There's the 2 and the 0. One more. Notice the space I've left between each one. It's at least a pinky finger space, so I can separate those numbers. Here's the word 20. Let's trace the letters to spell the word 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. Let's do one more row of 4 20s. Again, let's leave a pinky space between each number. So we start just below the top line, curve and hit the top line, come down at an angle like a candy cane, across the bottom. And our 0 from the top to the bottom, back to the top. Leave a pinky space, 2, 0. Do a few more. $20. All right, it says number hunt, circle every 20. Now, here's the first one, but it might be caught in your page. Here's another. Found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them, but you might miss these first 2 if the page is cutting them off. That's the number 20.